Hello everyone, today we're continuing with day 5 and let's see how ChatGPT does on it. The challenge is, I've read it to have a rough idea. We have some seed numbers and after that we have some specific mapping which determines how to map the original seed number to some range of seed number that should be prepared to be soil number and so on, and we simply doing all of this mapping to determine what will be the final number. And once we do all of these transitions with the numbers, we simply need to find the smallest of this number. And here, for example, we're starting with our number 79 and we're doing some mapping from 79 for soil, it's getting to 81 for fertilize, for water it's 81, and so forth. And there are some rules for the mapping. However, now we will not pay too much attention. We will try to simply try directly to ask GPT-4 and see if it's able to do that. Please write me a going program, the source task given in triple ticks, the input be at from a file with path the 5, input the text, okay, and provide the thing. Let's see how does it do. Meanwhile, we are going to get input. We can see here the seed numbers are much more massive. Day 5, input text, like that, and we have part 1. Let's see. Okay, it's doing some mapping, it's getting starting, it's getting the land, which looks okay. It's getting the seed, look legit, and it's starting with some like fake number. We might need to increase it a little bit. Let's see. Okay, it's saying that the number is not, and if we try a math max int, again now we are getting this number, and that's not the correct answer. Okay, let's try with our test example to see what's going on. Test text, and we're going to test. Written the file path test. Okay, it's 22, which is very wrong. Running sample code. This is not the correct answer. And now we're getting some versions. Okay, here is telling me to change the convert function. Here is convert to mappings. Does it change it whatsoever? No, it didn't change it whatsoever. It's more hallucination. Convert. Again, that looks about right with this convert. Now, how should I use it? Okay. Our program. Okay, we have destination start, source start, land, and we're iterating true. Not bad, really. Fertilizer is temperature, humidity, location. And here are the transitions. Okay, fair enough. That looks about right. Now of them are. Do we want int 64? It's again, and if we change it to test, let's see what's happening here. We have some. Is 0? No, that's wrong. Okay. I think it's simply wrong. It doesn't start with 0. Why does it start with zeros? Scanner. Okay, scan fields. If I see here, seeds, are they starting with zeros? Yeah, they're starting wrongly with zeros. And I think that we need to do is actually the continue Okay, it's 32. Isn't that still wrong? Let me look at this. Water 81, 74, 74, 78, 78. But the location is 78. Why is the location failing here? Is something to do with hitting 60 to 56. It seems like this one, it's simply wrong. 86, wrong. All of them are actually 35, 86 is wrong. The other one are wrong. Okay, let me try that with Gemini Pro and see if we'll be able to do that. With path, then put text. Yeah, let's see if we'll do any better. Gemini Pro. No, it does not. Let's see if algorithmically is any better to solve that. Too many errors. It's actually, as I expect, even worse. Okay, let me try to do the following thing. So to give up so easy. Let's give some context. Here we go. By tournament for long motions. Gifted. Task. Yeah, let's see if this taking a row will help with anything. Again, this part looks fine. point to the scanner, length range, all this stuff looks fine. Okay, let's see. No, I don't think I need this stuff here. Okay, that seems more reasonable. Why had this extra line there? No, it's falling apart, and if I try not with input, but with test, do I get, yeah, I still get the wrong one. Let me see. Okay. Is it here something, for example, temperature and humidity? Does this say something? Okay. Let me add this one. Let's see if that will help. Okay, with the fields and so on, seems kind of maxed in. Seems to be reasonable. And here it's doing the lookup. Yeah, this solution should be fine. Okay, a very big number, but let's try with our test. We have our test. Let's scan hearing this. I think okay, it didn't work. Okay, big time disappointment. Actually, let me try another 2 times, but yeah, I'm getting quite disappointed. Yeah, that's not bad. Actually, I can construct. Let me try with task. If this small example, okay, this one with the test actually works. Okay, let's try with the other one. That probably will. Do we have something like a top? Yeah, it's getting like almost 10 gigabytes. Going to go out of memory. Interesting, let's see. This laptop has 16 gigabytes. Yeah, let's ask for some more solution. Yeah. This consuming RAM and it is very slow. Let's see what's the main problem in this. We have the suffix, we have the seed, split, that makes sense, string, and yeah, all this stuff, it's fine. Making int. And let me do that's kind of working solution, or at least in the test example it seems to work correctly, but it's taking too much time because it's creating this current map and so on. You can see, and the numbers simply are huge. Okay, although correct solution a little bit too so, and let me see before to test it that actually for the other one it's returning the correct. Okay, it's kind of, yeah, I would expect this one to work. Okay, I was able to do part 1, which is kind of encouraging. Let's ask to modify to solve part 2. Yeah, let's see. How would was the second part? Oh, rich. Okay, we have this range and this. Okay, that should be very easy to modify. Okay, now if I try to test, what would I get? 46. Yeah, it's 46. Okay. Let's see if we can do it in reasonable time. Yeah, let's write the same thing for optimizing and so on, but without writing. It seems correct, but still we need to try something that can complete in couple of seconds at most. Okay, it's not generating out the numbers. I don't think you can do like that range map of map, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, might be wrong. Okay, and it's using -1. I like this approach. Have this special file. Okay, it's actually not very promising. If I do test, oh, it's even wrong. And extending this to something that should work is quite easy, but probably the range are humongous. Okay, now it's skipping by 2 and so on. It's getting the starter and this kind of stuff looks all well grounded and legit. Let me see how it does. No, and when I try it with the test example, yeah, it's completely wrong. Let me see. Once again, you can go beyond part 1. Set range. Okay, that seems reasonable. Yeah, I see. This stuff looks very good. I'm a bit confused. What might be? Okay, this looks about right. But again, when we try to run it doesn't seem to complete in any reasonable time. And the main reason for that is here the number of iterations are humongous. We have 200 millions, 700 millions, 7500 millions, 42 millions, 475 millions, and so on and so on. Would take a lot of processing to get to something. I will actually wait probably a minute or two and let me. It still takes a time. Yeah, let's see if this kind of solution will be. I mean, this kind of solution is something that I will come up with doing a couple of loops, mapping through, and so on. It's actually the way that I will solve this problem, but as we can see, it's not efficient for some huge input. Now, let's see if we have this other attempt. Let's see if that's inefficient. Test. Yeah, then tar code without skipping anything. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how. Let's put test. Okay, that's the correct one, but let's see how much more optimal is this. Okay, that's complete in reasonable amount of time. Okay, and was able to solve it. Okay, I'm actually quite impressed with this one. Was able to do day 5 without a big problem. Thanks for your time and see you on day 6.